Identifying patterns in large datasets can be a challenge. In this video, we'll show you how to master affinity diagrams to turn your brainstormed ideas into actionable insights using Lucid. To get started, let's answer a fundamental question. What is an affinity diagram? It is a visual tool used to organize a large number of ideas into logical groups based on their relationships. When to use affinity mapping? You should use it when you have a large volume of information and need to find connections, especially after a collaborative brainstorming or research phase. There are many benefits of affinity mapping. It helps your team organize thoughts quickly, simplifies complex problems, and ensures everyone's voice is heard during the decision-making process. What are the key elements of an affinity diagram? The primary components are the data points, which represent individual ideas, and the header categories that give those ideas structure. Follow these best practices for building affinity diagrams. Start with a silent sort to avoid bias. Keep your categories concise, and don't be afraid to move items as patterns emerge. How do you go about using affinity mapping in Agile? Agile teams use it to organize retrospective feedback and to group user stories during backlog grooming to identify priorities. Now that we understand the value of this tool, let's walk through a step-by-step tutorial, how to create an affinity diagram using the intelligent features in Lucid. First, gather your data. In Lucidspark, use the sticky note tool to record ideas. If you have a list, use the sticky note import to turn text into shapes instantly. Next, sort the ideas. Move related sticky notes near each other. You can use the gather tool to automatically group notes by color or collaborator to speed things up. Finally, create categories. Draw a frame around your clusters and add a title. Use lines to show relationships between different groups for a complete visual overview. Now you're ready to organize your ideas like a pro. Start your next affinity diagram in Lucid today and watch your team's productivity soar.